Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. Today, we'll be exploring advanced platform automation, overcoming challenges and enhancing integration. We'll look at how automation adoption, custom connectors, API integrations, and scalable solutions can transform modern workflows. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the key strategies and innovations that can help your organization succeed in this evolving landscape. Let's get started. Now, let's explore the importance of advanced techniques in platform automation. Understanding the challenges we face is essential to mastering these techniques, which ultimately help us achieve greater efficiency and foster innovation. As we dive deeper, you'll see that overcoming these hurdles is key to unlocking the full potential of automation. Next, let's look at some of the common challenges with traditional tools. For example, tools like Power Automate often struggle as workflows become more complex. They face difficulties in integration, meaning connecting different systems can be tricky. Scalability is another issue. What works for small tasks may not hold up as processes grow, and flexibility can be limited, making it harder to adapt to changing needs. Finally, I want to highlight how the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated automation adoption. During this period, a remarkable 76% of organizations adopted automation solutions to meet urgent demands and keep operations running smoothly. This surge underscores how vital advanced automation techniques have become in today's fast-paced environment. Let's take a closer look at some of the limitations of Power Automate that we need to consider as we think about scaling and integrating automation into our workflows. First, scalability concerns are a big factor. As we increase the usage of automation across our organization, we need to have proper governance in place. Without this oversight, there's a risk that our automation efforts could become unsustainable or unmanageable over time. Next, performance issues can really become a bottleneck. When we're working with large volumes of data or inefficient triggers, automation can slow down considerably. This can affect the overall efficiency and responsiveness of our processes. Another challenge is integration. Power Automate works smoothly with Microsoft systems, but connecting with non-Microsoft platforms often proves difficult. This limits our ability to create seamless, unified workflows across different systems and data sources, which is crucial for comprehensive automation. Finally, workflow complexity itself can be constrained. The predefined actions and the interface of Power Automate can restrict how intricate or sophisticated our automation processes can become. This can hinder us from building more advanced, multi-step workflows that might be necessary for complex business scenarios. All of these points highlight the importance of addressing these limitations as we look to expand and deepen our automation capabilities. Let's talk about some common challenges we face with complex workflows. As workflows get more intricate, these issues can really impact how effective our automation solutions are. They often slow us down and make our processes less streamlined and efficient. For example, when dealing with large datasets or nested flows, delays and inefficiencies become more noticeable, which can drag down the overall development speed. Another key challenge is debugging. Power Automate sometimes provides limited error guidance, which makes identifying and fixing issues a tedious and time-consuming task for developers. This can be frustrating and hampers our ability to quickly resolve problems. Finally, there's the issue of flexibility. Complex workflows often hit a wall because Power Automate relies heavily on predefined actions. This limits our ability to implement custom logic or multiple conditional paths, which are often essential for more sophisticated automation needs. All these challenges highlight the importance of advanced platform automation. By overcoming these hurdles, we can improve integration, enhance flexibility, and ultimately make our automation solutions more powerful and reliable. Let's take a closer look at some of the common integration challenges and performance issues we encounter. First, concurrency issues often create bottlenecks in automation workflows. When multiple processes try to run simultaneously, it can slow things down and impact overall efficiency and reliability. Addressing these concurrency bottlenecks is crucial to keep everything running smoothly. Next, latency in APIs and connectors can cause delays. These delays might seem small, but they can disrupt the timing and reliability of our workflows, especially when we're dealing with real-time processes. Managing this latency is vital for maintaining seamless automation. Another challenge is data overload and unnecessary processing. When too much data is processed, or when processing isn't optimized, it can severely impact speed. Careful management of data flows helps ensure our systems remain fast and responsive. Workflow execution itself can face setbacks due to inefficient triggers or overly complex actions. These inefficiencies slow down the entire process and hinder performance, making it harder to achieve the automation goals efficiently. Finally, integrating non-Microsoft applications can be a real challenge. Compatibility issues and limited integration options can make cross-platform workflows cumbersome and complex to implement. Overcoming these hurdles is important for building flexible, robust automation solutions. All these challenges highlight the importance of advanced platform automation. By understanding and addressing these issues, we can significantly improve integration performance and reliability across our systems. Let's talk about scalability concerns in Power Automate. As we scale automation, it's crucial to have proper oversight. Without it, we risk creating inefficiencies that can actually hinder our business processes instead of helping them. This is where risks of poor oversight come into play. Managing resources effectively becomes essential, especially when demands fluctuate. If we don't keep a close eye, performance can degrade as we try to handle more automation. Focusing on our mission-critical processes is another key point. By prioritizing these, we ensure that our automation efforts deliver maximum efficiency. Neglecting this focus can lead to underutilized resources and missed opportunities for improvement. And finally, implementing governance is vital. As we increase the flow of automation instances and API requests, governance helps us manage and control these changes. Without it, scaling can introduce inefficiencies and even compromise our overall business processes. So, in essence, careful oversight, resource management, prioritization, and governance are the pillars that enable us to scale automation successfully without losing control or effectiveness. Now, let's focus on custom connectors for enhanced integration. These are powerful tools that simplify connecting new or modernized systems, making it easier to integrate diverse applications. This capability really opens up the door to more advanced automation possibilities beyond what standard connectors can offer. Thinking about future-proofing our automation, reusable components come into play. They help ensure consistency across different applications and make it much simpler to maintain and scale our automation solutions over time. When we talk about reusable components, we're referring to building blocks that can be reused across multiple projects, saving time and reducing errors. Custom connectors, in particular, allow us to integrate with a wide range of external services and proprietary databases, ensuring smooth connectivity across various systems. This seamless integration is crucial. Custom connectors empower the Power Platform to connect with virtually any business system through APIs. That means we can enable end-to-end automation and facilitate a smooth flow of data across all our systems. Ultimately, this approach helps us break down data silos, fostering a more integrated and efficient business environment. Now, let's talk about building and deploying custom connectors. This is a crucial step in advanced platform automation because it allows us to tailor integrations specifically to our needs. First, we start by defining the API with the necessary endpoints that align with our automation requirements. This step is all about ensuring that the connector can communicate effectively and meets the specific data and functionality needs of our workflows. Next, we use the Power Platform's Connector Wizard. This guided creation tool simplifies the process significantly, making it accessible even for citizen developers who may not have deep coding experience. It walks you through each step, helping you build your connector more efficiently. Once the connector is built, thorough testing is essential. We want to validate that it functions reliably and performs well under different scenarios. This helps catch any issues early and ensures smooth operation once deployed. Finally, we deploy and integrate the connector into Power Apps and Power Automate flows. This seamless integration enables us to automate complex processes and create sophisticated solutions across our platforms. In essence, defining the API, using guided creation, testing thoroughly, and deploying effectively are all key to leveraging custom connectors for more powerful automation. This connects directly to our overall goal of enhancing integration capabilities and overcoming automation challenges. Now, let's take a closer look at some advanced platform automation use cases. Custom connectors play a crucial role in overcoming challenges and enhancing integration across various industries. They enable us to build tailored automation solutions that fit specific business needs. For example, one practical application is accessing live financial data through APIs like Yahoo Finance. This allows organizations to gather real-time financial insights, which are essential for making informed strategic decisions. Another key use case is connecting with platforms like Zendesk to streamline ticket handling. Custom connectors can significantly improve customer support workflows by automating data transfers and response processes, leading to faster and more efficient service. Finally, real-time stock level updates are vital for optimizing inventory management. Custom connectors facilitate seamless integration with ERP systems, ensuring that inventory data is always current and operations run smoothly. All these examples underscore how custom connectors are powerful tools for creating impactful automation solutions that improve decision-making, customer support, and operational efficiency. They truly extend the capabilities of our automation platform and help us address complex business challenges. Let's dive into the importance of API fundamentals and how they unlock the full potential of automation. Understanding what APIs are and how they work is crucial because it allows us to build more robust and efficient systems. When we grasp these concepts, we're better equipped to create workflows that save time and reduce manual effort. APIs are powerful tools because they enable automated data flows, which means processes become faster and more reliable. This directly supports our goal of streamlining operations and increasing efficiency. Moreover, integrating APIs enhances the flexibility of our workflows. They support scalable and adaptable automation architectures, which are essential for businesses that need to respond quickly to changing demands. APIs act as bridges between different software applications. They facilitate seamless data exchange and task automation, allowing diverse systems to communicate smoothly. This interconnectedness is key to creating flexible, efficient workflows that support your overall automation strategy. Let's talk about implementing effective API calls, which is a key part of advanced platform automation. To get the most benefit from API integration, the first step is to define clear integration goals. This helps guide your design choices and the tools you select, ensuring everything aligns with your organizational objectives. When your goals are clear, the entire process becomes more streamlined and focused. Next, it's crucial to choose the right integration patterns and tools that match your objectives. This decision is vital because it affects how seamlessly your APIs will function and how effectively they will serve your needs. Picking the right approach up front saves a lot of time and effort later. Then, you want to design and document your APIs thoroughly. Good documentation isn't just about sharing information. It actually improves usability and makes future maintenance much easier. Well-designed APIs reduce confusion and help developers understand how everything works, which is essential for ongoing success. Finally, continuous monitoring of your API performance is essential. By keeping an eye on how your APIs are performing and making optimizations when needed, you ensure their efficiency and reliability over time. This proactive approach is what keeps your automation robust and effective in the long run. So remember, define your goals, pick the right tools, design and document carefully, and monitor constantly. Together, these steps help overcome challenges and enhance your API integration efforts, ultimately driving your automation to new levels of success. Let's take a closer look at alternative automation platforms. Each platform has its own unique strengths that make it suitable for different scenarios. This diversity allows businesses to choose solutions that best fit their specific needs, enabling more customized automation strategies. For example, some platforms are ideal for automating repetitive tasks with software robots, which is perfect for handling high-volume operations efficiently. By automating routine processes, we can significantly reduce manual effort and improve overall productivity. On the other hand, there are platforms designed specifically for IT professionals and developers, offering advanced integration and scalability. These tools are great for creating complex workflows that connect various applications and services seamlessly, like Azure Logic Apps. Understanding these options helps us select the right platform to enhance our automation capabilities, ultimately supporting our goal of smarter, more efficient business processes. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features and use cases of Azure Logic Apps. First, one of the most powerful aspects is event-driven workflows. These workflows can be triggered by various events like receiving an email, uploading a file, or other specific actions. This means businesses can automate responses quickly and efficiently whenever these triggers occur, saving time and reducing manual effort. Moving on to real-time data integration, Azure Logic Apps excel at keeping systems synchronized. For example, they can automatically update data across different platforms as soon as changes happen, ensuring everything stays current without delays. This capability is crucial for maintaining data accuracy and consistency across your organization. Another important point is scalability and performance. As your business grows and your automation needs become more complex, Logic Apps are designed to handle increased demand without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this scalability makes them a versatile solution. Additionally, Logic Apps offer extensive integration options through a wide range of connectors. These connectors enable seamless communication between Azure services and third-party systems, making it easier to create unified workflows across diverse platforms. Finally, the platform includes a visual designer, which makes building workflows intuitive and accessible. You don't need to be a coding expert to design and implement automation processes. This visual approach simplifies complex workflows and accelerates deployment. All of these features together support the overarching goal of advanced platform automation, overcoming challenges, and enhancing integration across your systems. RPA implementation costs can vary quite a bit depending on the scope and complexity of the project. However, despite these costs, the efficiency gains we see are often well worth the investment. RPA really shines when it comes to automating high-volume, repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic work. When it comes to choosing the right tool, Power Automate is particularly effective if your workflows are primarily Microsoft-centric, as it integrates seamlessly within that ecosystem. Looking at some of the leading RPA tools, UiPath stands out for its user-friendly interface and strong AI capabilities, making automation accessible even for less technical users. Blue Prism, on the other hand, emphasizes governance and security, which is crucial for enterprise-level deployments. Automation Anywhere is notable for its cloud-first approach and robust security features, giving organizations flexibility and peace of mind. All these tools have their strengths, and selecting the right one depends on your specific needs and strategic goals. Let's explore how leveraging Azure functions can significantly enhance automation in our platform. First, designing stateless and secure functions is a best practice because it helps ensure that our functions are scalable, reliable, and easier to maintain. Stateless functions don't rely on stored data between executions, making them more flexible and resilient. Next, monitoring performance is crucial. By keeping an eye on how our functions behave, we can ensure they operate reliably and deliver optimal performance. This is key to providing a seamless experience and avoiding any disruptions. Azure functions excel at on-demand execution, meaning they can run immediately in response to a trigger. This makes them perfect for real-time applications and workflows where quick, responsive processing is essential. Another strength is multi-language support. Azure functions support several programming languages such as Net, Node, JS, Python, and Java. This flexibility allows our development teams to work with their preferred tools and languages, boosting productivity and ease of development. Automatic scaling is another powerful feature. Azure functions can automatically adjust their capacity based on the workload demand. This ensures we use resources efficiently and keep costs in check, especially during peak times. Finally, these functions enable event-driven automation. They can run code in response to various triggers like HTTP requests, scheduled timers, or other events. This makes our automation dynamic and highly responsive to real-time changes and needs. Together, these features position Azure functions as a vital tool for advanced platform automation, helping us overcome challenges and improve integration across our systems. Now, let's delve into advanced platform automation and how it helps us overcome challenges while boosting integration. When we design automation solutions that are scalable and adaptable, we're ensuring they can grow and evolve with the organization's changing needs. This is crucial for long-term success and sustainable development because static systems quickly become outdated or inefficient. Supporting organizational growth means creating workflows that can seamlessly incorporate new technologies with minimal disruption. This adaptability is key. It allows us to implement innovations smoothly without halting operations or causing unnecessary downtime. When it comes to technology integration, isolating modules within our workflows plays a vital role. By compartmentalizing different parts, updates and troubleshooting become much simpler, which enhances the overall reliability and efficiency of our automation systems. Finally, effective automation design hinges on breaking down workflows into independent, manageable components. This modular approach makes our systems easier to understand, maintain, and adapt over time. It's about building flexibility into the foundation of our automation strategies, ensuring they remain robust and responsive as organizational needs evolve. Now, moving on to slide 17, let's talk about how advanced platform automation helps us overcome challenges and improve integration. Tools like Datadog workflow automation play a crucial role here by enhancing our observability. They allow us to quickly identify and resolve issues, which is vital for maintaining system reliability. Observability tools are at the heart of this process. They support strategic reviews, facilitate feedback loops, and enable us to leverage advanced analytics. All of these elements work together to drive continuous improvement. Additionally, risk management is an essential part of this ongoing effort, helping us anticipate and mitigate potential setbacks. To keep our automation effective, we need to regularly monitor key metrics like process efficiency, return on investment, and error rates. This ongoing tracking ensures that our automation efforts stay aligned with our goals and continue to deliver value. And let's not forget about documentation. Clear, up-to-date documentation is critical for understanding how our automation works, onboarding new team members, and troubleshooting issues. It's the foundation that supports the sustainability and success of our automation initiatives.